Okay, good morning, students. This is week 8, day 1. And this week we're going to be discussing about mixed numbers. So for the do now, take out your rational numbers number 1 worksheet for home review, your mixed numbers notes for me to grade, and also get a whiteboard marker and eraser for each pair as we will continue playing basketball, but this time with mixed numbers. Objectives for today include content. I can sorry, my apologies, I can fix that. I can add and subtract mixed numbers as the content objective. The language objective is I can show written math work, and the social objective is I can collaborate with my partner and team in basketball. We're going to go over the homework review, then play basketball, then work on rational numbers number 2 worksheet, followed by math notes, and then your planner. As always, for homework review, please check with the answer key, then check in with your peers, review any problems that you want to go over as a class, revise your work accordingly, and then assign yourself a grade with the homework rubric if you feel that you are ready to turn it in. So the rules for basketball are the same as last week. You and your partner are going to take turns. Hold up your whiteboards when the timer goes off. And then every time you get a point correct, you get a correct answer, and then you get 4 problems, and then we'll shoot after 4 problems. You are allowed to use your notes, so if you took notes on mixed numbers, please take that out to help you with the game today. Okay, so for this problem, we need to have a common denominator. Class, what's our common denominator? 10. So multiply denominator by 2 and numerator by 2. So our new fraction will now be, mixed number will be 4 and 6 tenths minus 3 and 1 tenths. We take care of the fractions first, and then we take care of the mixed numbers after. So 6 tenths minus 1 tenth is 5 tenths, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. We can divide the numerator and denominator by 5 because we want to simplify our fraction. So now we have our final answer is 1 and 1/2. Okay. So class, what's our common denominator? 12, right? Okay, so times 4, times 4, times 3, times 3. So our new mixed numbers, equivalent mixed numbers will be 6 and 9/12. Let me change colors. 6 and 9/12 plus 1 and 8/12. So now when we do that, we want to add the fractions first and then the whole numbers. So if we add the fractions first, we're going to get 9 plus 8 is 17 over 12. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. But we can't leave it as an improper fraction, right?
Yeah, you have to.
So the 17/12 will become 1 and 5/12. Because 12 goes in the 17 one time, and you have a remainder of 5. So 1 whole with 5/12 stacks. And then if you add 7 plus 1, you're going to get 8 and 5/12 as the final answer. Okay? Okay, so class, what's the common denominator? 18, right? So multiply by 2 and 2 in the numerator and denominator for the second fraction, and multiply by 3 in the numerator and denominator for the top mixed number. So our new problem now, our equivalent mixed number will be 7 and 3/18 minus 5 and 8/18. But the issue here is you can't take 3 minus 8, right? 3 is too small, you can't take away from 8. So you need to borrow a whole. So if you want to borrow a whole, the 7 now becomes a 6. And 1 whole is 18/18. So you add 18/18. So our new mixed number for the numerator will now be 6 and 21/18 minus 5 and 8/18. Okay, you gotta do subtraction with regrouping. So now we have 21 minus 8. You take care of fractions first. And 21 minus 8 is 13. Denominator is 18, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 1 and 13/18. Okay, so for question number 4, circle all rational numbers equivalent to -13/4. And -13/4 is a negative number. Over here for this problem, the signs the same or different?
Same.
So what's the final sign?
Positive.
Positive. So is this a positive or negative number?
It's a positive.
Positive number. So is this true?
No.
No, not true. Okay. Next one, signs are the same, right? So we have a negative, positive 13/4. Signs the same or different?
Different.
Different. Final sign? Negative. So is this answer true?
Yes.
Yes, it is true. Okay, -3/4. So if we multiply -3 times 4 to turn it into an improper fraction, and then we add 1, -3 times 4 is -12, and then add 1 more is -13/4. Is this true?
Yes.
Yes. And then we do over here, 1 times 4, we're trying to change it to an improper fraction, is 4, plus 3 is 7, so -7/4. Is this equivalent?
No.
No. So 2 correct answers. -13/4, and -3 1/4. Okay, so on your worksheet for rational numbers, number 2, make sure you work in pairs or as a group. You can click on the worksheet link if you need a digital copy, but everyone's given a physical copy. After about 15-20 minutes working on your worksheet, please make sure you take out your notebook and take notes. We'll be doing it this time for multiplying and dividing mixed numbers. So there's 3 videos, one on mixed numbers to improper fractions. So changing mixed numbers into improper fractions, another on multiplying mixed numbers, and then the last one on dividing mixed numbers. Last but not least, after you take notes, in your planner, please write down 8.1 rational numbers number 2, 8.1 multiply divide mixed number notes, and for IXL, you can do between 7.G.9 and or 7.G.13. One is on multiplying mixed numbers, the other is on dividing mixed numbers. Thank you and take care.